Odyssey 35 PC1400T Automotive and LTV battery. Cold crank amp, CCA, 850. 20 HR nominal capacity, 65. Better warranty, limited 3 and 4 year full replacement warranty, not pro rata. Longer service life, with 3 to 10 years of service life, Odyssey batteries save consumers time, money, and aggravation. Longer cycle life, 70% longer cycle life compared to conventional deep cycle batteries, up to 400 cycles at 80% depth of discharge, high stable voltage for longer periods of time. Faster recharge, the highest recharge efficiency of any sealed lead battery on the market, capable of 100% recharge in 4-6 hours. Mounting flexibility, non-spillable design. Vibration resistance design protects against high-impact shock and mechanical vibration. Extreme temperature tolerant operating temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This item is not for sale in Catalina Island. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.